I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Pull up.
You have written.
Sorry.
You have
Pull
written.
up, selector.
I didn't know he's rapping one of his.
You have
I don't know
written.
what this is. That's
I didn't know you're rapping one of the unreleased, man. Oh, it's just Grandma's lunch.
Bro.
Just Grandma's lunch. It's not Grandma's lunch.
Johnny CPT, let's do it.
Wait.
That's not Grandma's Sunday lunch.
Okay, wait, let me
That's
go
not
back,
the beat
let me
of
go back,
Grandma's.
let me go back.
That's not the beat for Grandma's Sunday lunch. Is
This
this
is
one?
grand.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, this. Oh yeah, nah. This is one of my brothers I met at work.
Listen to what I'm about to speak.
He
You
told
can
me
relate.
he wanna make a song with Charlie, but the whole thing is like your background,
Ons
man.
maak 'n video van
That's the
jou.
main thing.
Your best performance. brother.
Okay, now let's do it.
Relax. Okay.
Slut.
Talk about my feelings. Talking about my feelings. Shout out more. Everybody know, bro. Shout out to my pa. I just wanna get my license and get a car. They call me CPT.
Sheila,
When I'm on the
brother.
mic, you can't disagree. Okay, wait. Here we go.
Give me something nice, man.
Where do I begin? Tell me, where do I start? When Charlie went viral, more come to the yard. Music changed my life and I could only thank God. Lyrics flowing through my veins, my brain and my heart. If you don't understand, just let me explain. I know how it feels to depress and how it feels to the pain. Used to scuttle by bus,
Easy.
taxi and train.
Breathe.
Had my sunshine
Breathe,
days,
my brother.
stand in the rain.
Breathe, your throat.
Wat
Doe
het
dat.
lijkt me, bro?
I
Wat
said
het
fast.
Skop op huis.
This is what you did.
Okay.
Continue me, bro.
Here we go.
Continue me, bro.
I'm so
Continue.
great to be alive, and for that I give thanks. I've been through the motion, you can all see by ranks.
Dala, bro.
Or maybe the ice. I named Devon, not all L's or losses. I took my L's as lessons.
Dala, bro.
Good over
Dala.
evil, right over wrong.
Dala,
Meditating
bro.
in my room, bro, write the song.
Much respect,
Charlie
bro. Much
CPT, your
respect,
bro,
much
they thought
respect.
I am gone.
That's hard.
Nobody
Dala,
knew the
bro.
comeback is strong.
Dala, bro.
I was chilling there, yeah, I
CPT,
was
I don't
Russell.
know.
My family put together like a fucking puzzle. Okay, bro, they act like they know me. This is a freestyle, I'm lamming with Cloudy. Okay, bro, sorry, Cliffy Glosser, bye.
No,
Charlie
man,
CPT, your bro, you know I'm that guy.
Ashes
I want
to ashes,
great.
zit er in your
That's
verse.
to that's. Should I know a bro, pussy kill me, it's a must.
Dala,
Okay, should I know a bro, yeah, Joe, but niggas.
the angle,
They
Joe.
talk about figures,
Dala,
man,
bro.
pulling
Keep
the
that video on, man.
triggers. Shout out Bobby, shout out Alon. Net soos fucking Afghanistan, ik drop nog die bom. Zeg het op bro, de witte bro, die
Dala,
lijkt er
bro.
kom. Dan moet de witte bro, ja, alle dankie, lijkt eerst dom.
Dala, bro.
Sabilius, alle weer de seniors, crash
Dala,
white.
bro.
Cijfer C, ik moet wegblijven. Dan moet ik
ja.
aan witte bro. High school days, I came through bro. I lost my high school ways. Check it out bro, you can fucking ask like a Steven. Just like a bread in the oven, I'm unleavened.
Ons
Charlie
moet helemaal
CPT
aan
bro.
Steven, ja. Dala, bro.
Unleavened, unleavened.